I love a sleek low bun. It is so professional, so elegant, and I'm gonna show you one of my absolute favorite ways how to do one. It stays so well throughout the day. It's really comfortable to wear, especially if you have a sensitive head like I do. I feel like I always get a headache, but you will not with this. It's the coolest way to do a low bun, so stay tuned. I am about to change your life. I'm gonna show you the coolest, most innovative, I can't even say that word, innovative hair accessory you've ever seen in your whole life. It has become my absolute favorite. I'll link it below. It's from our shop, but that's not why I love it. I love it because it is seriously amazing. I can do so many things with it, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna show you, stay tuned. It's the best thing you've ever seen in your life. And drum roll, please. Somebody put me a drum roll in here. Here it is. I know it looks simple, but I'm telling you, it is a game changer for your hair. It is so cool. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. Are you ready? Let's do it. Okay, before I show you how to use my super cool hair accessory that I'm obsessed with, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this part in my hair, because when I sleep on my hair, it likes to do this funny thing where it just does this kind of not great looking part for my sleek low bun. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that. I am going to be using the Redken Powder Grip number 3. This stuff is awesome. If you don't have it in your life, you need it. It's the best, especially if you have fine hair or thin hair. It gives you a little extra volume, some grip to your some grip for your texture to grip onto. It's great. So I'm going to part my hair, add a little bit of that in, and then I am going to tease it to get rid of that part so that we can have it all nice and sleek. Now I'm just gonna smooth that out so we don't have any visible rat's nest showing, and it'll be all nice and smooth. And that's all. Super easy way to prep your hair so it holds really well. Now, I'm gonna show you how I use my super cool hair accessory. And again, I will link it below so you guys can shop it if you want one. I'm telling you, you need it in your life. It's so cool. As soon as you finish watching this video, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna turn around and show you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna gather my hair all in the back. Make sure everything is smoothed out nice and good. I'm just gonna start twisting my hair. I'm twisting it all counterclockwise until it starts to twist up. And then I'm gonna start wrapping it around. And now I'm gonna take my hair accessory, I'm going to point it straight towards my head so I can get some grip on it. And then I'm just gonna twist it and do it straight down so it holds in place super well. And then I can pull out anything around my crown so I can have extra volume. And it's super easy. It looks so pretty, and it holds in place just by itself right there. One of the reasons I love wearing my hair in a low bun like this is it's so comfortable to wear the whole day. I have a very sensitive scalp, and I usually can only wear my hair in an up style for 2 or 3 hours. This, I can wear all day and it never bothers me. So I will put the link here for you guys, and let me know what you thought about this tutorial. I can't talk. Let me know what you thought about this tutorial in the comments below, and we will do more like this if you love it.